Yeah, it's your boy Kus LJ. Ed Sheeran freestyle. Me no want no Babylon them. Where they go can kill all the Babylon people them. Jah God I love, baby, me no listen to them. And God bad manners, baby, me not gangster man. I tell them all, baby, me loving the shape of you. Me loving you not spiritual, baby, I the grace for you. Also make I know life is color, I the mad over you. They got me no fit tell me no fit cheat on you. I love you girl with your pretty smile. You so bliss, your back and jar and your crazy style. I know you might think our love will fade in a little while, but baby, at least consider me, please give it a try. I know I've done so many bad things. This move with me, this stress me big, had me fight, had me life, had me still, bad me jump up, bad me kill pop. Baby, I beg, they will try hard, I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, that's a talk too much. Back on my waist and put that body on me. Come now, follow my lead. Come now, follow my lead. Baby, take my hand. It's like we're gonna feel so at the end it's strange. No need to run, girl, I need to live in the trance. God bless this promise like I was in the trance. Oh, I can't believe what I went through. Not to talk about what I'm going through, just to be with you, girl. Oh, I never let go, that's my rule, girl. Never had a real bitch who calls me boo, girl. So she be calling me, so she be calling me like she wanna be with me. And she be calling me like she wanna get into me. And she be calling me like she wanna have a feel of me. Tell your lady, my mama told me. My bitch thinks she knows me, but she barely knows me. I'm writing lyrics, yeah, that's my new hobby. And I know Satan where I go blow on my homie. Yeah. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, that's not talk too much. Back on my waist and put that body on me. Come now, follow my lead. Come now, follow my lead. Okay, yo, Kus LJ. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Much love, peace to you all. Yeah. Thanks for the support.